So this definitely should have happened before we flipped it over, but it's okay, here we are. Hi, I'm Jordan, and today we're gonna put together a fire pit table. So I actually have the top surface of the table upside down. So the top surface that you're gonna play on all the time is upside down, but the cardboard is still attached, so it's protecting it. I already put everything out so that I can see all the letters, all the stickers that show me what piece is what. Also came with all this hardware. This is a Phillips screwdriver. I don't need it. I have a drill, but that is so nice that it's in there. It also came with gloves. I don't know if I'll need them, but it's nice that they're there. So this is B. It's got my little like on off. So I want to show this on the outside. And this guy is actually protecting right there. Ta-da.
Those holes line up. Valve is out.
I'm going to loosely place in a screw on the right, then on the left, then on the right, then on the left. We're just doing loose right now. We'll tighten it up when we're ready. We're moving on to C. Now what I've noticed is that the letter, like where the sticker is, goes on the inside. So if you left the stickers, it's okay. You're not gonna see them later. All right, we're lining up holes again on both sides. Make sure everything's lined up before you start putting in your little screws. I'm gonna twirl with my fingers first, which helps. Even if you're not using a drill, just a normal screwdriver, this helps to really set in where you want to be. And now we're on to D, and I don't think there's a top or a bottom. I just want to make sure that that inner frame, that D sticker, is pointing inward into the table, so I don't see that sticker on the outside. So I have my first D panel installed loosely. The screws are about halfway in, and what I did was the top, opposite corner, bottom. Top, opposite corner, bottom. And you need 4 hands, somebody to hold it in place and the other person working with the tools. It's just a little bit awkward, and I've got it elevated up on this table and I'm very short, so I needed someone taller. So now our second D panel is going in. I did lie about the sticker a little bit. The E is pointed outward, but when we flip over the table, that's gonna be pointed toward the ground. So again, you're never gonna see that sticker. It's just a little different than the other panels. All right, we already loosely put in our screws. We're going in with the drill. Whoop. The reason why we're doing everything loosely is that I want to square up the end. That way I'm not working with anything that's super tight, and I'm able to move things around as needed. Spring loaded, so what I'm going to do is the top first. I'm going to fit it in and then go toward the bottom. Just going to press it in so I can slide it and pop on the other side. All right, I tightened up all my screws, the top, the sides. That's a magnetic door. What? What a fun surprise. We're gonna put in the knob for the door, and it's got this teensy little screw, just a little guy. Oh no. This is why I like having the drill rather than the little screwdriver. That Phillips is very helpful to have, but nice. No twirling. All right, so you wanna match the shape of this little guy to the valve, little gold piece under here, and just slide it right on. Yeah, we're in. All right, so there's this knob. I'm gonna put the plus sign into the spring. I'm literally laying on the ground doing this, but you know, could have happened up above. That's not what happened in the instructions. We're gonna add our lava rocks. We wanna get inside the ring and outside it, but we don't want to cover up our ignition cover here, okay? So don't just dump them in there, place them gently. Now I know you're thinking you want to have a big pile in the middle like a fire, but instead we're going to try to make it as flat and uniform as possible because the lid has to go on at some point. So that way it fits nice and flat, and you push this little guy, lift this lever, and now when we're using the fire pit, we can hang this on the door. I'm gonna flip up this, hook it on to my door, kind of slide it in, and shuts right in there. Make sure nothing's wet. If you hear popping on the first time that you use it, stand far back, let it all like dry out as it's using the first time. Sometimes they can get a little moist, but make sure it's always dry. Very important.